good morning! Welcome back! It's Angst 1014. So, nandito naman po tayo sa bagong series ng ating cocktail tutorial series. So today, we're going to make a special request cocktail series. We have one of our follower, she requested for this cocktail. Ngayon, gagawin ko siya. So, we're going to make a Bloody Mary. Okay guys? So Bloody Mary was named after Queen Mary of Tudor during her reign, bloody reign over England in 16th century. So that was history, and it was named after Queen Mary of Tudor. Okay, that's the short history time. We're going to make a Bloody Mary. Okay guys? So, Bloody Mary is composed of tomato juice, vodka, okay, comes with Lynn Perrins, Worcestershire sauce, Tabasco, pepper, and salt, and lemon juice. Okay, so let's start making Bloody Mary. Okay, so we need to put our tomato juice. So I shake a little bit. Okay, talawin ko ng konti. I'm going to put a 120 ml. So 60, 120. Put our vodka, so I use Absolute Blue, like 45 ml. And a few dash of Worcestershire sauce, like two drops. That's fine. Put our Tabasco, like 2. So it's up to you how much you're going to put. If you want more spicy, you put a bit more. And put our salt, like 3 drops, and our pepper. A bit more spice. Okay. Okay, not too much, not too little. Just to give the taste to our drinks. And like 15 ml of our lime juice. Okay, then we're going to put our ice. So we're not going to mix it, so we just turn it like that to the other shaker, just to chill the drinks. So that's it. Hindi ko sinishake, pag chilling kasi siya, magbabubble siya. Hindi siya magbubble. So just make sure na hindi siya magbubble. So chilled na siya. Then, we're going to put our glass. So, put a new ice on the glass. So, nilagay ko yung fresh ice. Kasi ito madali siyang matunaw pag yung ginamit nito yung ice dito. So we're going to put a new ice in the glass. So that's it. And so Bloody Mary. Then we're going to garnish it with have it, guys, our Bloody Mary, the cocktail drinks for today. Special request to our subscriber, our follower. There you have it, guys, our Bloody Mary. Okay, so special mention to our follower who requested these drinks. It was named Kiss to Kiss. Hello, Madam Kiss to Kiss. Is your cocktail Bloody Mary? There you have it. Okay, so guys, trivia for this drink, Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary is good for cure to hangover. If you have a hangover for overnight drink, and then you wake up in the morning, you have headaches and upset stomach, this is good. This is the best to cure hangover because of its ingredients. It has the vegetable base of tomato juice to help your stomach, to ease your stomach, and the alcohol, the vodka helps to elevate the pain of your headaches and body pain. Okay, and salt and pepper to replenish your electrolytes, lost liquid of your body, replenish your electrolytes. So there you have it, guys, our cocktail of the day, Bloody Mary. Okay, so Madam Kiss to Kiss, special mention to our cocktail. Kiss to Kiss TV is your Bloody Mary for today. Any requested drinks or cocktails, just let me know, comments down below, and I'll make it for the next video. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. It's Angst 1014.